In this video, I'm going to show you how to private all TikTok videos at once. Now, this is the simplest method I've found out to have work, and I'm going to show you how it's done. First things first, go ahead and tap these three lines here, and then go ahead and open settings and privacy. Once you're here, I want you to go ahead and look for the activity center. Oh, there you go. And then I want you to go ahead and scroll down, and you're going to look for manage post visibility. Go ahead and click that one. And then from here, you will be seeing all of the videos that you have. What you're going to do is basically select everything. So again, go ahead and select all of these videos here that you have. And then once you're done with this one, you can just go ahead and basically click next. I have 20 videos as of the moment. Now, after doing so, you will be able to update the selected posts here. So I'm going to go ahead and set this to only me and then tap the update button. Alright, there you go. As you can see, all of these videos are now set to only me, meaning people won't be able to see them. And yep, that is how it's done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.